YouTube stay. Just a little guy. Little white bass. Hey everybody, this is Corey here from Mixing Up Outdoors off the YouTube channel. Duke, come here. Good boy. I'm out here on the Fox River, just outside of Amarillo. And all we're doing today is throwing just a jig head with twister tails. And I'm out here with Duke and my good buddy Zach from work, and getting him on some fun fishing today. The walleyes didn't pan out on Poigan for us today, so we decided to come and do a little bit of this. But so yeah, just stick with us. We're gonna try to get some cool footage down, but it's just a fun thing to do to burn some time. I got some people who want some fish, so we're just gonna try to get a few in the live well here and make somebody's day, I guess. Look at that. Dude, I was picking my jig up out of the water and he hit. Just tearing it up, aren't you, son? Yes, sir. Oh, Corey. Yeah. Ah! Oh, it always makes me feel good when I miss and then he he misses right behind me.
Did you guys hear that double grunt?
Right? Alright, here comes Duke. Get ready. Oh yeah, this is a, oh Jesus. Set the hook, I was like, holy shit. Another nice little whitey. Oh yeah, I want to remind you guys too, with the white bass run coming now, this is just the start of it. So if you guys went like in Oshkosh and stuff, I know in Amarillo and Eureka too, a lot of people pull flies, and if you need any certain color flies tied or customs or different lengths or anything, stop down at Fishtails on County A in Oshkosh. It's right by the carp ponds there, by Asylum Bay, and Corey will tie you whatever color you want. He's got a pretty good array of colors that he does himself that are all custom colored, and he's got some pretty neat stuff. He'll like change up the length or how much hair you want on him, whatever you want to do. That's a tank. So be sure to stop down and check him out. Dude, that one's a tank. See? Yeah, that's a big one. When they're in. Dude, you're in my way, dude. Double! We got a double! Double!
Get out of your mouth,
Get out of there, dude.
Mine was bigger.
Oh, I was gonna say, there it was. I seen it hit. Oh, double swing. Double swing and he misses it. This could get fun. Bam, baby. That's a nice one. That's a good one. That's a fatty. Hold that bad boy up. Duke! Nice.
That one didn't even hit the fucking water barrel.
That's the perfect hook set when they're back by the eyeball. Crushed it. Duke, simmer down, buddy. Gosh. Yeah. Ooch, ooch. Jesus. These things are full of energy. Wish I'd have brought that bucket. We could have... Nice. Zach man with another tank. Look at Duke, he's fully interested. He's like, feed me. That's a tank. Those are nice bass. Sweet. Ooh.
That was coming at you.
We're gonna call this video the Zach Show.
It snagged it right into my hand, dude. Yeah. Now what?
What?
Now
Did
what?
you even push it?
Yeah.
Push it again.
Hooked up, boy.
Oh yeah! Hey! You gotta have the sound effects. That's what makes it interesting. Oh yeah. Look at Duke, he's back here plucking them out of the live well. Filling up. Get out of there, Dukers. Oh,
Right
I seen the
fucking
fish. There you go.
Oh Christ, look at this.
Tank, hold that sucker up for the
Look at that,
camera.
baby.
Woo! Double up. Double up, double up. He took mine too. Look at that. He's gone.
That's mount. I'm gonna mount that.
I would put it on a wall. I think I got him beat that one.
Sorry, Peter.
Duke. Oh, Duke's hungry.
All in the wrist, baby. Yeah!
Oh. Another nice whitey little eater. At the boat! You forgot the noise sounds, man. Oh, he hooked him. He hooked him in the face!
Hey, fishy, where you hooked?
In the face! Oh, we got to get some footage due to these fish coming in. We have to. What's up, dupers? Stay.
Get the camera! Get the camera!
What? No. Did you even push it? Yeah, push it again.
Dude, I got one.
Get the camera!
Oh,
Dude,
it was like...
Oh. Stay out of there, dude.
Look, you want this one?
Oh! Camera! Get the camera! Oh! It would almost, it was so close to a double. Almost. Shake. What is it, Tookers?